that's of high quality and not tainted with a bunch of junk in it. So you have your black market cart withdrawals, you have your high concentration THC product withdrawals, which can include medical grade dispensary carts, and then you have your day-to-day herbs. The withdrawals across the board for those are going to look different. Black market being the worst. I then think the high concentration THC cartridges giving you more withdrawals than your day-to-day herb, which is a bit more balanced out with some of the other endocannabinoids found in the plant, or phytocannabinoids found in the plant. My second disclaimer is not everyone is going to experience THC or marijuana withdrawal. Some people are able to quit. They can flip-flop on and off of the plant like it's nothing. Some people really struggle with THC dependence and THC withdrawal. If you don't believe me, pause this video, go check out CJ the Kid, check out his account on marijuana withdrawal. He's used multiple different types of substances and drugs, and he rated his experience with marijuana up there with some of the other harsh substances. So just something to check out at CJ the Kid, okay? Now let's jump right into it. One of the most common questions I get asked when it comes to marijuana withdrawal or quitting smoking weed is the insomnia. That's usually one of the first symptoms you're going to experience in the first 72 hours of quitting. And I like to tell people right off the bat, don't make a big deal about the insomnia. You have to stop stressing over the insomnia, because eventually your body is going to allow you to sleep. And that's my first piece of advice when it comes to insomnia. When your body does give you the opportunity to sleep, take it. If it's during the middle of the day, if you have to leave work, go take a nap in your car, if you got to skip school for a day or two because you need to sleep, do it. Let your body heal. You're sick. You're going through a detox process. Take a sick day, because eventually your body's going to demand that you rest. And a lot of people stress really intensely over that insomnia, and it's not necessary because it's going to pass. One of the most common mistakes I see people make, or at least I would not advise doing it, if it worked for you, that's fine, is they start to quit weed, they're struggling with insomnia, so they start taking melatonin. They start hitting melatonin vapes. Don't do this. Leave the Benadryl at home. Leave the Benadryl on the counter. Don't go to your doctor and get a script for Ambien or Xanax. We're trying to detox your body from drugs, not add more substances into your body. Your body's detoxing and it's healing, and it's trying to restore its natural circadian rhythm. And you have to realize about marijuana, every time you smoke, especially the higher concentration products, affecting your body's endocannabinoid system. If you don't know what that is, I wrote it out below. Google it after this video. This system regulates your sleep. It regulates your mood. It regulates your appetite. It regulates your bone growth. It regulates your hormone production. It regulates all types of things. So it makes sense that when you quit using marijuana, something that dramatically impacts your endocannabinoid system, that you're going to run into some problems, some physical and psychological withdrawal symptoms. So again, let your body heal naturally. Don't take stuff for the insomnia. Just get through it. It usually passes within the first week or so. And I can almost guarantee you, once it passes, you're probably going to start to experience much better quality sleep than you were ever experiencing while you were using marijuana. And the reason for that is because marijuana prevents your body from entering a deep state of sleep, or REM sleep. That's why you usually don't dream when you smoke a lot. And that's why you experience very vivid dreams as you start to get your body back into that state of REM sleep or deep sleep when you stop using marijuana. So that's another thing you can look forward to, is the really intense, really vivid dreams for the first few nights of marijuana detox or THC withdrawal, or, you know, the first 72 hours of quitting weed. So that's thing number one. Insomnia, don't make a big deal about it. Major problem number two that most people experience in the first 3 to 5 days is appetite changes. I remember when I first quit, I really couldn't eat first thing in the morning. I woke up, I was always kind of nauseous, borderline felt like I was going to throw up in the morning, which, warning, could be a symptom of cannabinoid hyperemesis syndrome. This is where you smoke a lot of weed, you're constantly vomiting, you're losing a bunch of weight,